likely. Said she need a ring like Carmelo. You must be on that white like Othello. All you want is Nikes, but the real ones, just like you, just like me. I don't play, I don't make time. But if you need dick, I got you. And I am from the line. Go up for ASAP. R.I.P. Pimp C. R.I.P. Trayvon. That nigga look just like me. Scales, a little mermaid. We out by the pool, some little mermaids. Me and them gel, like twigs with the bangs. Now that's a real mermaid. You know your brain with it down. On my drip, on Papa. You don't care for me, but he cares for me, and that's good. We don't talk much or nothing, but when we talk about something, we have good discussion. I met his friends last week, feel like they're on to something. That's good for us.
We'll let you guys prophesy. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. Living so the last night feels like a past life. Speaking of it, don't know what got into people. Devil be possessing homies, demons try to body jump. Why you think I'm in this bitch when the fucking yarmulke? Acid on me like the rain. Weed crumbles in the glitter. Rain, glitter. We laid out on the sweat floor. Away turf, no astro. Mesmerized how the strobes glow. Look at all the people feet dance. I know that your nigga came with you, but he ain't with you. The only human in is human in these barmaids. I mean my bras sticking to my jeans. We breathing pheromones, amber rose, sipping pink gold lemonades. Feel it? I may be younger, but I look after you. We're not in love, but I make love to you. When you're not here, I save some for you. I'm not him, but I mean something to you. I mean something to you. I mean something to you. You gotta run it, he'll hear what we do. It's only awkward if you fucking too.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. when we both know that deep down the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see through walls, I could see it faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see our faces. Safe in my rental, like an armored truck. Back then, we didn't give a fuck. Back then, I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. We drive the 6, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my waves wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then, we were friends. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. But we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. In the halls of your hotel, arm around my shoulder so I can tell how much I meant to you, meant to sincere back then. We had time to kill back then. You ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. It's not the same. I've reason to go. Don't you remember? Broke your heart last week, you'll probably feel better by the weekend. Still remember, had you going crazy, screaming my name. The feeling deep down is good. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, had no chance to prepare, couldn't see you coming. And we started from nothing. Ooh, I could hate you now. It's alright to hate me now. We both know that deep down the feeling still deep down is good. All the things I didn't mean to say, I didn't mean to do. There were things you didn't need to say. Did you need to? Need to? I've been trying
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. Showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless, dear, it's all downhill from here. In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer shade, nosedive in the floodlines, tall tower, milk crates. It's the same way you showed me.
Cannonball off the porch side, older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me, you were sure. If you could die and come back to life, up for air from the swimming pool, you kneel down to the dry land, kiss the earth that birthed you, gave you tools just to stay alive and make it out when the sun is ruined. That's the same way you showed me, you showed me love, glory from above. Regard, dear, it's all downhill from here. Real life, about how it was. I'm cheap, Michael Jackson, all this shit. Say what up to Becky, the shoe. Say what up to Danny. Say what up to life and mortality. Running up my bikes, running up. I'm from me, 18, still in Granny 6. Take it easy, give me something sweet, which I might like immortality. This is life, life, immortality. On these rides, mine on the road, your dilated eyes, watch the clouds float, white Ferrari, had a good time. 16, how was I supposed to know anything? I let you out at Central, I didn't care to state the plain, kept my mouth closed, we're both so familiar. White Ferrari, stick by me, close by me, you will find, you will find. As distance slow, left when I forgot to speed, so I text the speeds, lesser speeds, Texas speed, yes. Basic takes its toll on me eventually, yes. On me eventually, yes. I care for you still and I will forever. That was my part of the deal. Honest, we got so familiar. Spending each day of the year, white Ferrari, good times. In this life, in this life. One too many years, some tattooed eyelids on a facelift. Mind over matter is magic. I do magic. If you think about it, you'll spend no time. That's life. I'm sure we're taller in another dimension. You say we're small and not worth the mention. You're tired of moving, your body's aching. We could vacate, there's places to go. Clearly, this isn't all that there is. Can't take what's been given, but we're so okay here. We're doing fine. Mama and naked, you dream of walls that hold us in prison. It's just a skull, at least that's what they call it.